Welcome back, guys. Had to run home. So today we're going to be walking around a 1995 Pontiac Trans Am. This one's got a 5.7 LT1 under the hood. Today I'm going to be walking around this car, pointing out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. This one's got around 50,000 miles on it. Very low mileage car. Aftermarket wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes. Open the trunk out. There's a stereo system, Rockford Fosgate back here. Very cleanly done. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I post videos pretty much daily. You can check us out at maplemotors.com. I have close to 100 detailed pictures of this ride and every ride on the car lot. You can also get financing and shipping at that website. All right, let's get started here. I'm going to be pointing out any kind of flaws so you know what you're getting. I personally love this body style. Let's get started here. Coming around the front, there's a little scuff in the bottom here that should buff out. It's got great tires all the way around on this one. Coming up and over the fender, down on the lower portion. You got a few little stains on this, probably buff out with a little wax. There is a spot in the back here with a dent and a scuff. You got great tires on the rear. Coming up over the fender, around to the back. There is a few little chips inside there from where the tires caught rocks and thrown them up. Coming back the midsection here. Pretty straightforward, nice and clean. Looking over the windshield, it's not scratched up. Looks like satellite radios in here. Mirrors are in great shape. Tinted windows on both sides. The top on this one's in good condition. You can see some of the support bars on the inside there, but it looks great. I did see some tape back here, and I assume they may have had a little bit of a leak or something, but it doesn't look like the tape's actually doing anything. Maybe they had it to where you can, or they strapped the top down there, but I haven't seen any leakage in this car, so I don't know why they put that on there. I believe that's double-sided tape. Little dirt down in here, be cleaned out. Coming around the back, there is a spot in the rear bumper here where it's missing some paint. I love the exhaust on the back of this. Looks awesome. I think I even got some blackout covers somewhere in my garage where I used to have these cars. There is a light scratch back here. These bumpers used to do that. They would do the spider webbing. This one just has it right here on the edge. It still feels smooth. Can't even feel those. Some dirt there. Coming down this lower side, you see the tires are in great shape. Coming up over the fender well. Pretty clean. Coming up over this fender well. Little dirt there, it came right off. Coming down the midsection here. Little spot in the paint right there. All right. While we're back here, we'll go ahead and check the trunk out. It's nice and clean. The jams use a little bit more cleaning, but they look pretty good. Like I said, there's a stereo system in here. And you can take this out. This box is just sitting on top here. You can see all the space it's got below it. Coming down with the top, or the trunk. It's locked. Little spot there on the wing. Get a top cleaner and usually it'll make all that stuff come out. It just looks like some dirt. Front windshield on this side looks great. All right, we made it all the way around this ride. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. See what we got going on. After that, I'll get you some undercarriage shots. We're also going to be doing test drives, so be looking for that video. I'll drive over the camera with some lights. This interior is really clean. Door looks awesome. It's clean around. Underside. The seat does have a little wear here. There's huge humps where you got to get in and out, so you got to get over that. Checking out the back seat. Top's nice inside. Let's go ahead and jump in here and get her started up. Place your bets, you think this horn works? What game we like to play on the channel? To be exact, it's 57,000 miles on the dash. On the way here, the low coolant light come on. We'll be checking that to make sure. But I haven't seen any overheating. Actually, the hottest it got was where it's at now. I don't have the face of the radio with me. It's back at the lot. I didn't even know there was a stereo in the back till I just opened it to show y'all. I learned these cars with y'all, by the way. Just gives me an honest description here, so I'm gonna just walk around it with you. Performance transmission. I forgot about those buttons. Very clean ashtray. It didn't look like anybody smoked in here. Let's try the AC. So first I'm gonna cut it off, and then I'm gonna cut it back on. And it did pull down on the idle, so the compressor is kicking on. It's like 40 degrees out here, so I'd be lucky to tell if it's cold or not. I'm about to find out though. We'll leave it on a second. It's not quite cold yet. Feels hot more than anything. Compressor's kicking on, but it's still blowing heat, so may need a little bit of work on that. Convertible top down here. Let's take her down. Might have to drive around in this 40-degree weather with her down. Let's take her down. Okay, so it's a pretty cool button down there. I like it. Push her down. Come down fast. Let's try these windows. These windows are usually, I had to replace multiple power windows in these cars. See how slow they go them down? They're huge. Actually, that one just got stuck. I'm glad I didn't go all the way down. This one here is good to go. Okay. Yeah, see, I called it. I'm telling you, this is the first time I'm learning this car with you, so I just know these cars. Let's listen to this exhaust. You can see the temperature's not coming up on it. It does have that low coolant light. We'll be checking that. Give her a look. Much better with the top down. See, the motor's nice and quiet. We're gonna come down with the hood here. Lines up well. Let's try those headlights. There's a little chip right here in the front. Let's try those headlights out. Okay, so I think we just flipped the switch. Boom. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my light out. We're gonna look at this undercarriage, check everything out, and then we'll get back to the lot. Like I said, today I went and ate lunch at home, so I remember him doing that too. It'll stop here in a second. There it goes. We haven't had one of these in a while. So yeah, you wanna see what gear I use? Look below in the description. I have Amazon links to all this stuff. I actually bought this at Walmart, and it's tough. I mean, it's exactly tough. It's in the name. I'm gonna slide this up under the back, and we're gonna check it out. Pretty tough there. Let's see. This car is low to the ground. Here we go. Big old piece of plastic in the way here. All right, now we go to this side. Cool. All right, I'm gonna set my light back here because I will be using that here in a minute. Zip up my bag so nothing blows out during the ride. And I guess we're gonna freeze a little bit today. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button. I post videos pretty much daily. You can join us at maplemotors.com for shipping and finance options. I have all that available for you. Also have all of my inventory available with pricing on everything. That way you don't even have to call us. Once you watch all this information, test drive, walk around, all the detailed pictures, you're pretty much gonna know everything about the car. But if you need more questions, if you have more questions, give us a call, 615-822-4444. We'll be happy to help you out. Okay guys, we'll take this thing down the road. Go ahead and hit that link to the test drive video. Should be popping up on your screen right now.